dark pink polos, I hurt the ride before Cam got the shit to pop. The doors is closed. I felt like bad boy street.
Your girl's looking a little ruffiana right now, but it's okay. She's still cute. Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. Zoe here if you're new, and today I'm back with another video. And y'all, I'm excited because today's about to be iconic. If you know, you know. I'm about to pop up a picture on a screen right now. So this picture ended up circulating as the inspo picture for ginger hair during the fall time. I was in so many TikToks. And today we're bringing that look back, but we're going a little different. You know, that looks a little shorter. So we're gonna go a little bit longer, give a little bit more voluminous drama, but we're going ginger again, okay? And I'm actually so excited. Today's video is sponsored by westkisshair. Inside of the box has a bunch of goodies. Obviously the unit. It also came with a bonnet, which I've never gotten a bonnet from a wig company before, and this is really, really clutch. So shout out to them. It also came with an elastic band as well as a lace melting band. Came with some wig caps, edge brush, bag for the wig, and of course you already know how I feel about the Wig Store lashes. 22-inch 13x4 frontal, 180 density, and get into the color. She's already pre-colored. Honestly, like, not she's pre-colored and pre-styled. I know y'all see the curls. I know y'all see the curls. The curls are there. So they said, babe, we're literally giving you zero minimal effort. You're just gonna get the unit and have to put it on. But yes, so this is the look. It's 22 inches, nice little ginger. She's very vibrant, transparent lace, and it is a 13x4 frontal. For the most part, I mean, it does seem kind of pre-plucked. I might go in and pluck a little bit more just to make it a little bit more natural, but so excited to install her. We're going back ginger, you guys. I'm gonna get into the install process and then stay to the end to see the final result as well as my review on the actual hair. So let's get into it.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
Decide for what I want.
need some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. No, my mom, my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
Decide for what I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want.
In the meantime,
Guess I'm doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
Guess I'm doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
Maybe I love myself, I don't know. Leave me here.
Come rewind. Girl, I get the money with you, make you mine. If you loving every night, you make you mad. Now only you give me love and make me nice, oh, nice, oh, nice, oh. I feel make you mine, oh. But I love you, plus I never make you minus. If I let you smoke it, you gon' lose my lighter. If you paranoid, then I'ma spend the night. Think that I love you every day. Diamond dancing, my money, understand the mic. Phone ring and he never call you back. You should leave him. Let me put some money in your bag. You don't need what I mean is if he do you bad. It ain't where you been, girl, it's where you at. Where you at? And I love you every day. I'm gonna answer you the money I go pay.
So this is the final look. Your girl is back ginger, okay? Honestly, I'm not gonna lie, I was struggling installing this. I have not installed a frontal in I don't know how long, and your girl was stressed, to say the least. But I think she came out really, really freaking cute. You guys know I love a ginger moment, and I think this is such a beautiful, vibrant color. So just to give you guys a little bit of my opinion on the actual hair, I think the color is beautiful, and I love when a wig comes pre-colored because then your girl don't gotta do too much. The actual like texture of the hair is really nice. It doesn't really get tangled at all. I will say it was a little bit dry when I first took it out the pack, but I did add some coconut oil to it, and honestly it feels really smooth and silky now. I love that it came pre-styled. It literally made this whole process a lot easier because I didn't have to sit and curl the whole hair. I just kind of touched up the curls and touched up the front pieces after I've been manipulating it throughout the install. The actual lace, just to get you guys a close-up, she's giving, so the lace was transparent, but I feel like honestly the way that it kind of ended up melting into my skin is a lot better than some other brands that I've had. So shout out to the transparent lace working out for your girl. Honestly, it's like super soft. It's the perfect length. You guys know I live for a 22-inch. I'm not a super long girl, but like my torso shorts would it be given long. But yeah, overall I actually have no complaints on the hair. Shout out to westkisshair. They have your girl feeling like a whole new shorty, okay? I'm gonna be making some TikToks, so follow me on TikTok, follow me on Instagram. I'll probably take some pictures as well tonight. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time your girl uploads a video. And yes, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.